Hey guys, today just a short video to talk about what MRP is. For those of you who've maybe been told that you should be implementing an MRP system within your company, today, just a quick one, like I say, we're going to go back to the fundamentals. What is MRP? So like MRP has been around since the 1960s, 1970s, one form or other, and in a separate video we'll go into the history of MRP and ERP and all things to do with manufacturing software. But today we're looking at the fundamentals. What is MRP? And so look, there are big textbooks written about this subject. We're not going to do that in 2 minutes. What we're going to say is, very simply, MRP is about matching supply and demand within your manufacturing company. So think about it this way. If we have a certain amount of demand in our business, and that demand can be a number of things. So that could be, it could be sales orders coming in. It could be parts that have dropped below a reorder level. And so maybe we have reorder levels on parts, things have dropped below those. It could even be things that we've got scheduled out on forecasts and things like that. But there's demand in the business for parts that you need to make. MRP is all about matching that demand with supply. And so what MRP is going to do for you, if it's well implemented in your business, is ensure that you have the supply coming in to meet that demand. And that supply is obviously parts that you make. It's components that you buy, and it's made up of your existing stock. So look, in a nutshell, that's what MRP is. What does MRP stand for? Well, it's material requirements planning, or more often nowadays we talk about manufacturing resource planning. We'll talk about those and the difference between them in a subsequent video. But if you fundamentally get this concept, it's just about matching demand and supply in your business. The beauty of this is that it will do it accurately and quickly over thousands and thousands of items if you need it to. So in a busy manufacturing environment, what does it really mean? It means efficiency. MRP, whether we're talking MRP 1 or MRP 2, it boils down to kind of 3 questions here. So the first one would be, what do we need? The second one would be, how much do we need? And the third one would be, when do we need it? So if you think about your manufacturing organization, those are the 3 questions that will fundamentally be answered by well implementing an MRP system. Exactly what do you need? When do you need it so that you're not bringing it in too early, certainly not bringing it in too late and letting your customers down? And how much do you need? And if you can answer those 3 fundamental questions through an MRP system, then you've got a pretty good implementation. That's it for today, guys. We'll catch you again soon.
To learn more, visit our website or book to attend one of our free educational events. You'll even receive a free paperback copy of our book, How to Implement a Manufacturing System, just for attending.